Hello and welcome to another Redstone contraption sort of thing video on Minecraft. This is only going to contain 3 things. One of them's a roller coaster, one of them's a proof of concept, and this is just something I made. And this is actually the broken one, I do believe. It's a 3, 2, 1 countdown that I was going to use for our Spleef arena on a different server. On a different map on the same server. You just turn it on and off. It was 3, 2, 1, all got off. But then the signal, the problem was that it was self-resetting, so that when the signal was turned off, those torches come on, and then the signal disappears from around here. Turn that torch on, turning all those on, which resets all of this. But the signal was then coming back around like this, and then turning it off, which flashed it, which it just kept going round and round and round. I managed to fix it to a certain extent, but then I figured out a better way. This one, 3, 2, 1, off. Yeah, just about all in time. Basically what I did on this one is use a latch for every single set of torches. So basically you turn that on. If you want a tutorial on how to fully make this, I will if someone requests it. But basically the switch is on the other side of there, turns that on, which switches the power to this side, deactivating that torch, come on, so that's a 3. It gets delayed before it gets to the 2, turning that side on, and disabling this side, turning 2 on. Random music. This activates because this side of the latch has been activated now, and then this turns on, deactivating that, turns the torch on, and this power, when this side is activated, comes around here, goes up here and activates this, which sends power to the lit up side, so that it resets it to this position once again. Not now. Stop it! Oh my god. Okay. Really? They're just gonna keep messaging me. 1 second. Had to ruin the video. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it. It's just you deactivate the latches, turns them on, and then the signal goes back around, resets itself by resetting the latches. So that's pretty cool. It took me a while to work that out. This is a proof of concept thing. It's just, it's not really practical in any way, shape or form, unless you can compact it. That's part of the circuit over there, and I'll show you once I show you what it does. So you stand on it for about a second, get off it, and then, nope, not going to work. There we go, and then it shuts automatically behind you. Basically, the reason it takes so long to work is you press that, turns on this redstone, which deactivates that torch, pulls the piston in, so the longer you stay on it, the longer this piston's deactivated. That releases water down into here, lifting the boat off the pressure plate and deactivating those. But obviously the longer you're on the pressure pad, the longer that's going to be open, the longer the water's in there, and the longer that'll be deactivated for. And it will determine whether it is actually deactivated or not. As you saw, it failed the first time. In fact, there'll be 4 things. This is just really simple. Oh, okay. So basically, you're being chased by a mob. You run into your house, flick that switch, and they just jump straight into that lava pit. It's really simple. I'm pretty sure I've shown it in a different video. It's just pistons pushing other pistons out. They get pushed out into here, and in fact, you might be able to watch it. They push them out, and then those pushed blocks up, sealing it. Where was that last one? Oh, that is right. No, we'll do the roller coaster one first. Okay, so this is actually in our roller coaster on our server, and I'm pretty sure it's in the server tour. But this is the concept behind it. If you missed it, I actually designed it on here. Just go through it and off this way. Critical hit is my minecart there. Basically, you get accelerated. Obviously, you'd have more roller coaster. You just come down here, get accelerated, you hit that, which turns that facing that way, so you get pushed onto here basically, and then you get pushed up there. You press the button and that'll let you roll back down, and when you come back down, press it again and you go off on this direction whereas you came in there. So basically it's just sort of like a really complicated way of just turning this corner, but it's quite cool. I think it's a good addition. This in that stone building we had a 2x2 hole, which used 4 pistons obviously. This is a 2x6 hole, 2x3, and I wasn't sure if it's possible or not, so I decided I want to try it, and I think it works. Yeah. So if I like, say there was a surface here, so this was outside, say you have a double door into your house or into a room and you wanted a trap on the outside, you could use this, because if double doors and you got a 2x2 hole, you can just jump diagonally and you just get out of the way, wouldn't you? So so you flick that, basically. Say they're coming from this direction. Obviously now with sprint jumping you can actually jump that. So you probably want it the other way, and you won't be able to jump it, so you'd have a platform here. Just make it a quick one. Thank God for creative road. Oh, I can't speak properly today. Creative mode. And you'd be like, I'm gonna get you. No, I fell down. Even though, well, you'd have to extend it. But I think that the limit is probably gonna be 8 long, 4 long, but 8 pistons. Because you could have 2 more torches there, but you'd have to take the signal all the way around and then come there, or else it just, say if I put a thing that activates it, say if I tried to deactivate a torch up here, it wouldn't work. So I'd have to go all the way around and then get it from the back, and this one I'd have to go around and get it from that side. So I'm not sure how you do it for a 3rd row of them, but yeah, I think I like that. It's pretty cool. Didn't actually take me that long to design either, 'cause I mean it's just simply just deactivating torches. I'll show you this circuit. It's literally just redstone, inverter, which is just a torch on a block, and then that deactivates those. So when you turn this on, whoops, that's off and they're on, and therefore activate the piston. Voila! Ignore the lava and the water. It's just me going around placing lava and water everywhere, surprisingly. But yeah, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, rate, whatever. I just want to know what you guys want to see. There's no point making videos no one wants to see. So, yeah, feedback would be good. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you later.